So real quick, if you're wanting to do an intake cleaning, maybe you think you've got direct injectors, or you think you've got some issues with your valves being dirty, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do that. If anybody can do this at home, you don't have to get the professional one. We've got a way to do it, like basically an induction cleaning. But this works. If you don't have any other way to do it, this will do an intake cleaning. Okay, it does a pretty good job. Need to be at 2,000 RPM on a warm engine, and you're wanting to spray directly or as close to directly into the throttle body as you can. This is a 2013 Mazda CX-5, so basically like a Ford Escape, 4-cylinder. Air boot, throttle body, and go straight into it. 1 second bursts. Hear my throttle fluctuate. Now I'm able to control my throttle at 2,000 RPM from right here. If you can't do that because you don't have a scanner that does that, then you need to have somebody inside holding the throttle at 2,000 RPM. Okay, when I get done, this can's empty. I'm gonna rev it up 3 or 4 times, 3,500, 4,000 RPM. I'm gonna let it idle for about a minute, and I'm gonna shut it off. Basically a hot soak at that point, and let everything clean for about an hour, and then I'm gonna go drive it. You've got cameras that you can look down in there with to see that your valves are messed up. You should be able to look back in there to see how they look now. Do you want to go through all that trouble? That's up to you. But as far as doing an intake cleaning, maybe you got a little bit of a misfire that's not injector related, it's not plug related, so it's not fire. You just maybe got a valve not seating real well. Quick and easy way to do an intake cleaning. It's going to help increase your miles per gallon. It's going to help increase how well your car runs. And it's cheap. It's like 20 bucks for a can, a few minutes of your time, and you're done. So hope that helps. We'll catch you on the next one.